Hi there, this is just a very quick little unboxing of the brand new Sculplla Repair Sun Cushion Broad Spectrum SPF 50 with the PLLA sunscreen. Yay! I'm so excited about this product. I have not tried it yet. It comes in a beautiful compact. Opening it. Oh, it's nice. Got kind of a mirror there. Little cushion pad. This is sort of a press-on cushion. I'm just doing a very quick sort of unboxing, but I'm going to do a further follow-up on this. Okay, I'm going to open this. Oh, wow. How cool is this? Oh my God. I live in a very sunny climate, so I am super excited always about sunscreens. I know we all should be excited about them, but when there's a new good one, boy, I get excited. Okay, so you just kind of press it on there and pick up some of the sunscreen, and then I'm going to apply it right here on my hand, and just oh wow, that gives a nice finish on my old veiny hands. Boy, they're getting so old looking. This is beautiful. Is that beautiful or what? Oh yeah. I mean, I am digging this. I don't have any makeup on. I look awful right now, or I do my face, but I just wanted to kind of show you this. That is so nice. I can get those veins to, boy, I've been working with my hands a lot today, so you can see my veins are fully functioning, which is good, I guess. But look at that beautiful finish. Really should just press it in like that. Wow, that's giving me a really pretty, nice pearl finish. I am excited to try this on my face, and I will definitely show you some before and afters when I do that, but I just wanted to give you a quick look on this product. And just shut it, put the little cushion back in. Oh, how nice.